Customer states, motor's knocking. No oil.
Oh, she is knocking.
Bothering him? Are you filming that?
Yeah. He's getting all fancy with it. So somebody can't, they have to work to steal it?
Yeah.
Alternator for a Corolla. Three of them, yeah. This week we are. Unbag that. But should, it's brand new.
Everything's...
What are you trying to take the wiring harness off?
Should just clip right off there. The only bad thing about that, you got to put the little BBs in the water box for it right now.
Yeah, I'll give you about, I think.
It looks. Trying to see if it's just one belt.
I think it's just the one.
The miles you get to put oil in it. Well, she turns around and sells it to some dude, but no.
Layla. Hey. Boy. What are you doing? Stop dodging the camera. Did you get it?
Yeah. Who?
My dad.
One day away from drowning in it.
The new one? The...
New one. Too heavy. Plus, last time we went out into the,
That's a dog's name, Alternator.
That's an engine, buddy.
the drill or the dryer part, and he's sitting out there on the side of the dryer saying,
We just don't want it to fall off of the,
Get it?
pull yours tight too, Charlie.
Pull it. There you go.
Ingenuity.
Ingenuity.
and all we gotta do is, because it's where it was, right?
Yeah.
It was
Just, I'd have had to account for a later time.
You think the garbage man will notice that thing is bad?
No, we're taking it. I forgot to tell you, we're taking this thing. You're getting your money back?
This one's no good. Bearings are bad. Alternator.
Customer states the alternator's smaller than the last. It's easy to go on.
See what happens with the old one? There's a, see that thing?
We were literally sitting in the house the other day.
Why is it in for enough I can put the ratchet back on it? That's the only thing about front wheel drive cars. It's like everything's so compact.
Kristen had some friends that lived out there.
Isn't that?
No, it wasn't.
No, and Ozzy.
You know, was he?
Oh shit. Hold on. I gotta put the belt back on first. Cut a wire.
Big snap is.
For long-term
So you used him on a chicken coop. The whole building.
No, this is new. This is the first time it's the first time he ever done this.
But after you finish the program, you got an intern in the shop for like 2 years. Before
Work-wise.
Since I was 17. I've done a lot of jobs in that agency.
have I ever shot somebody? Not today or when?
You ever drew your gun on somebody?
Nope.
It's got the tight down.
That's the new nut.
Hey, bub, go through this in the trash and I'll give this to you, okay?
That's,
That took y'all 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Hey, we good?
yeah, thank you.
Dang, this smells like an old woman car. Here we go, crank it up. Let's see. Come on now.
Battery dead?
Hey, get the battery terminals.
Battery terminals just ain't good. Right now.
Man, ain't nothing now. You said you're good?
Yeah, good.
Oh, okay. What, does this thing need gas? Oh, there we go. Do we need to turn it off? Let me rev it up real quick. It might clank a little bit. We're gonna get all the way to the end of this and lose a bolt with something we ain't even working on. Like, this thing's probably sitting up here on top of this. Y'all down there?
No, I heard it fall.
All these fools looking for this bolt, and
Hold on, let me find my magnet.
it's right.
Where the hell's my magnet? There it is.
there. I doubt I'm gonna be able to get this thing to focus in.
Here.
Oh.
Been 6 inches down. It's
Really?
sitting right there at the top.
Oh,
it's
crap.
just sitting in a hole, so it
Got
looks
it.
like it's supposed to be there.
Got it.